What's up, everyone? It's Rail. I'm at Rail Beat Boy. Let's make a sample beat. So there are only 5 elements that you need to make a sample beat: a kick, a snare, a hi-hat, a bass line, and of course the sample. I use a sample from the machinemasters.com sample pack. So I imported that sample into Reason Studio. I chose my tempo, which I traditionally start between 70 and 90, but we'll go with 81 with this particular sample. I stretched that sample. I made my chops in the specific areas of the sample, ensuring the snap was off so that I have freedom to chop wherever I needed to. Once I had all my chops, I bounced it to a Rex loop, and now I have the chops that I can audition. I auditioned my chops and I came up with this sequence. Here's how it sounds. All right, now let's go to the next elements: kick, snare, hi-hat. I like to do these in real time as opposed to drawing it in because I get a better feel of how the drums go with the sample, and I always do it live while the sample is playing. So the last element is the bass line. Now, I don't know music theory, so I'll just come up with a simple bass line that goes with the sample. Here's what I did. Five sounds to a complete, fully sounding sample beat. If you enjoyed this video and want more, tap the like button. Also subscribe and follow me on Instagram at RailBeatBoy. Thanks for watching. Until next time.